Let's solve equations by cross-multiplying. Here in equation number 1, we have the fraction 3/4 is equal to the fraction of 6 over negative 2x. So we can cross-multiply because we have that a fraction equals a fraction. And if two fractions are equal, then their cross-multiplications are equal. So step 1, cross-multiply. To cross-multiply, we follow the same pattern. We take one numerator and the other fraction's denominator, and we multiply those two together. So we're going to multiply 3 times negative 2x. We're going to write that down on the left side of the equation, and on the right side, we're going to do the other cross multiplication, the denominator 4 times the numerator 6. 4 times 6. To finish the cross multiplication, let's multiply these terms together. Positive 3 times negative 2x is going to equal a negative 6x equals 24. How did we cross multiply? We cross multiplied by multiplying the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction, and the denominator of the first fraction times the numerator of the second fraction, going in this crossing over pattern and multiplying the terms. Step 2. Solve the equation using inverse operations. To isolate the variable x, we need to divide by the coefficient, which is negative 6. Dividing by negative 6 on both sides to keep the equation balanced. Here, negative 6 divided by negative 6 makes this turn into 1, so that means x is left alone on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, we have 24 divided by negative 6, which is going to equal negative 4. And now our equation is solved because we have x all alone on one side. How did we solve the equation? After cross-multiplying, we used our regular inverse operations. In this case, we divided by negative 6 on both sides to get the variable all by itself on one side and ended up with a negative 4 as our solution. X equals negative 4. You are now ready to cross-multiply and solve the equation in problem number 2.